Hello, I'm Max Linneberry, and today I will be presenting a little snippet of my research on the great white shark that I did for my research paper. Couple reasons for my research. When I was throughout my childhood, I've watched a lot of Netflix documentaries on sharks in general. I became really interested in this huge predator in the oceans, and Shark Week also just helped me out get really interested in it because I'm sure a lot of you do. Just sit there and watch Shark Week endlessly on Discovery Channel, just wasting away hours, but it's super interesting and I can hardly get up off my couch when I'm watching it. Another reason is in my future I'm hoping to go on to school and study marine biology and hopefully end up being able to study the great white shark. How this relates to the course and me personally. The way it really relates to this course is it's a marine animal. It lives in the ocean, does everything in the ocean, never leaves the ocean, and that's pretty much what we're studying in this entire class. How it relates to me personally, two things like I said in the last slide. Hopefully I'm able to study sharks in the future in my career, and I've tirelessly spent hours watching Shark Week on Discovery Channel. Well, a couple things that I learned that were surprising to me actually. I was surprised to learn that the great white shark isn't related to Megalodon. They talk about Megalodon all the time on Shark Week as this huge shark that was around a long time ago. I was really surprised that this huge predator wasn't related to him, that they were actually related to smaller sharks like the mako shark. Another really cool thing is there's only one predator that scientists know about in the ocean that can actually kill it. That's the orca whale. Um, Another thing, it's a migratory shark, which means it never really stays put because it has to follow its food source, and I didn't know that. I assumed it just stayed in one place and its food source stayed in one place and they just sat there and ate. Um, a really cool thing that I learned that I had no clue about was that the unborn shark, like while it's in its mother, actually eats the unfertilized eggs to get its nutrients and survive in the mother. And so another surprising thing is that it's really threatened by global warming. I was surprised because, like, such a huge predator, you hear about all these things that it does. They're like great predators. It's threatened by global warming. The significant aspect of my research, I focused on global warming. Global warming and the heating and cooling of the oceans is leading to a decline in the population. Um, The way it really does this is it hurts its food source. It's killing away the dolphins and sea lions that the shark normally eats, which in turn hurts the shark. Also, with this lack of food, the slow reproduction leads to a real decline in numbers because um, the young have a really hard time staying alive with such a little amount of food available. Also, humans are hunting the animal. They're using the meat for shark soup, which I had never heard of before this research paper, and it's really leading to a decline in the population. But one thing that I found out that's great for this species is that the shark numbers are going up, which is great. Thank you.